Alright, now after you are done designing your website locally and you want to put it out for the people to see online, so there are techniques that we have to um, engage so that we can have this website to be put online. Alright, we just need a plugin. A plugin would solve that problem for us. And I'm gonna do that. So we just have to just install the plugin first. Just go to plugin and add plugin. Alright, so the plugin is called Updraft. 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 So it's a plugin that gives you the ability of you exporting your design and everything and then uploading it to the website to the one online. That means what you have to do, you must have gotten your domain and hosting first. So I've got your domain and hosting ready, and also you should also install the updraft on the online website also. So because you will need it if you want to import it back. So first updraft. So this WP backup and migration plugin. You just need to install them. So you need to install it, and after that you do that also for the one online. So you install the plugin also. So after doing that, so we're gonna export it. So why are we installing for both the local and the online? Because we are exporting it using the updraft. So it is advisable for us also to use that updraft to also install to import the file, because so that it will not give any conflict errors. I hope you understand that. So that's why we are using the updraft for both the online and the local. I hope you understand that. Alright, so let's see how we can do this. Now I already have my my website, my online pconstruct.free.nf. I already showed you how to get a free domain and hosting using Infinity Free with the help of Infinity Free. So here is my That is my domain pconstruct.free.nf, and yeah, I've already installed the updraft the for the online one, and also yeah, I've done that also for the local. So what you just have to do, just go to settings here. You can you can update this one if you want. So just go on settings here. Let me wait for this to update. Because anything you do here will automatically affect the online. So just wait for this to update so that the configuration also would would be reflected whenever I export the file. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, it's already updated. So let's click on settings here. Alright, so now you can see here backup now. So let's just click on it. Click on backup now. Let's click on backup now. Now it's requesting start of backup. So that's it. So it's backing up with 5. So it's backing up. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna back up the plugins, the media, the database, and possibly the theme if depending. Let's wait. So we're gonna come back after it's already done. I'll come back. Alright, so now it's already backed up the file. Now this F5 I see it October 12th, 2025, 30:29 a.m. So these are the files backed up: database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. So what you just have to do for us to to get this file, you just need to click on these things. Just click on database for it to die. So just click on plugins. So if you need the theme, you can upload. If you don't need it, you can leave it. Just click on upload. I think I will leave the theme alone. I think I've already downloaded the theme or installed the theme. But if you don't have the theme, you can just click on it for you to see. Alright, so the first thing, you can create a folder. You can create a folder. Let me just create a folder. I just create a folder here. I'm going to say P construct. So I will have my file saved here. So let me go back. So let me download to my computer. This is the database. This first one is the database. Second one is the plugin. Third one, the upload. Alright, so I'm not gonna have this. Okay, let me just download it first. So you can see. So okay. Alright, so that's good there. So this is the backup files. So I'm just gonna drag it inside the Coursera file. Alright, so after doing that, the next thing for us to do is to go to the web version of our website. This now I've already installed it, so just go to settings also, updraft settings. Or if you can't go to here, you can see it over here also, the bottom part of the sidebar. Okay, so I'm gonna press backup now. Just need to just click on upload backup files. Alright, let's select the files. Then maybe so let's click on it and copy everything and open. Alright, so it's already importing the plugin, the files, the themes, the uploads. So the uploads is the media files, your images and everything. So the theme, so I suppose not to import the theme because I've only installed the theme. However, let us have it to let's just install it. So this is a better way of we doing this thing. It's very simple, very simple and very straightforward. Right? I get into it. This is the last. Alright, so after this has been done, the next thing is just so now we have database plugins, themes and others and uploads. Now I didn't add the others, I didn't upload the others, or I didn't download the others because there's nothing there. So just need to have database plugin themes and uploads, which you have already imported here. So what you just need to do is just to click on restore. So then we ask what components you want to install. So just check it everything. Just check it everything and click on next. So it's downloading the backup file, preparing the files. Mm, let's install. Now it's already imported those things that is required. So let's return back. So you can just view our website. It's already done. So let me just write type reconstruct that what is it free dot nf. Let's go. Now see, we have a website also here. Can you see? Now our website is online, already online. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So this is how we can upload. Can you see? Nothing changed. Nothing changed. Nothing changed. Can you see? Wonderful, wonderful. This this is the power of using Updraft to export and import your website online. To export from the local WP to where is it now? To your online um repository, your online website exactly. Alright. So it's very seamless. So if we have other plugins that can do it also, but I think I would go for the updraft. Alright. Now we are for this course. We're going to the next one. See you in the next class.